17. Teach your native language. Most of the people in today's globalization are trying to learn new languages, and there are many new reasons for doing so. Some people want to improve their employability, some want to study or live overseas, some want to grow their business or just want to improve their travel experience. The point is, there is a huge market of online language teachers who are willing to pay for language coaching. Your aim should be to leverage this opportunity. Teach the language you know to others online and earn some handsome money. But how are you going to find the people who will sign up for your language coaching? The simple answer to this question is to register on italki.com. Now the question is, what is italki.com? italki is a popular online language learning platform which connects people willing to learn languages with others who can teach them. With 2 million students and 3,000 teachers who teach all the world's major 100 languages. It's the largest marketplace for online language teachers. To get started, visit italki.com and submit an application for becoming an online teacher. If approved, you can create your teacher profile, set your online schedule, create your language courses. After this, you will be listed on italki listings and potential students from all over the world can view your profile and determine they would book you for an online session. All the italki sessions are conducted online with a Skype or other VoIP software. So make sure you have a high-speed internet connection and appropriate headphones. Some basic tips. Have a good profile video introduction. Now, let's discuss expected earnings by teaching languages. When you teach, you will earn italki credits or ITCs, which you can withdraw for real cash using sources like PayPal, Alipay, WebMoney, and Money Bookers. 10 ITCs are equal to $1. Most of the language teachers charge anywhere between 100 ITCs to 200 ITCs per hour, depending on their expertise and feedbacks. You can also conduct language tests, add interview, preparation modules, kids modules, and so on to diversify your market reach and increase income. So, the money making formula here is so simple. More students sign up to your course, more money you make. So, what do you think? Does this method fits with you? If yes, then start it today. Best of luck.